Hi children, today you are going to learn ninth class 6th chapter, that is linear equations in two variables, in that exercise number 6.2. In this exercise we are going to find how to find the solutions of a linear equation two variable. We are going to find the solutions of linear equation two variable. As we learn in the 6.1, a linear equation two variables having infinitely solutions, infinite answers will get. Suppose x plus 5 equal to 10. X plus y equal to 10. X value may be 1, y value may be 9. 1, 9. It will give us 10. 2 plus 8 will give us 10. Minus 2 plus 12 it will give us 10. In this way, we can write infinity solutions where x value is 1, 1 comma 9. When x value is 2, y value will be 8. When x value is minus 2, y value will be 12. In this way, we can write infinitely many solutions. For a linear equation two variable, we get infinitely many solutions. So, this solution will help us. This exercise is very important because to do the next three exercises. The next three exercises are like, depends on only this. What these points will get in this, will get x comma y values. Those x comma y values will draw on the graph in the next exercises. But here we will find out how to find the solutions. We will learn that how to find the solutions. Those solutions will represent on the graph in next exercises. So this exercise is important. Please concentrate everyone. So we will go for the first bit here, 6.2. Find the three different solutions. Find three different solutions. We will get infinite solution for every linear equation, but only you find out three different solutions of each of the following questions. For first question. Okay, first bit. First question. See that is 3x plus 4y equal to 7. 3x plus 4y equal to 7. Given one linear equation 3x plus 4y equal to 7. We have to find out three different solutions for this. Three solutions. If you want to find out solution, children, please remember one thing. This is, we have to assume some x values so that we will get some y values. Remember. So, how we have to make it? First we have to set all. Only we have to write this equation as a y equal to. That means LHS side you keep it only y and remaining all terms you send it outside. Only LHS side you keep it only y and send it all the unknown terms, the remaining terms you send the RHS side. This plus 3x will transfer this side. Then 4y become 7 minus 3x. Make y alone. That is what our concept actually. This 4 is multiplied to y. It will be divided. So y equal to 7 minus 3x by 4. Yes. We got y equal to, why I have done this, you will get understand here. See, now we have to draw a table. This table we have to make it with a pencil. Here in the first box, we will assume some x values. Here y is nothing but this, 7 minus 3x by 4. And next, here x comma y. This is very important. Only till here we will learn. But whatever the points we get here, those points will going to be represented in our next exercises. So, see, minus 2. Let us put minus 2 suppose. What happened? Your wish, you can assume any numbers here. Your wish, you can assume any numbers. Let me assume 2 then. Plus 2. Any number. Y equal to, wherever the x present, we have to put 2. Then we get y value. X value if it is 2, then what is y value? That is our question. Now y equal to 7 minus, here 3 into 2 by 4. That equal to 7 minus 3 to the 6 by 4. That is y equal to, see, 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is nothing but 0.25. You cancel. 4 ones are. You cancel this. 1 you divide by 4. 0.0. 4 2s are 8. 2 carry. 4 5s are 20. 0.25. So in this way we have to write 2 comma 0.25. Or not we can write y equal to 1 by 4 also, no problem. X equal to 2, y equal to 1 by 4 you write. There is no problem. But if you write in this way, it is very easy to represent on the graph paper. We can locate the 2 in a graph paper. We can also locate 0.2. 0.25 is not required. 0.2 we can locate on the graph paper. Like that. See, one solution is complete. Next thing, we suppose assume like 3, suppose if you assume 3, what happens? Y equal to, wherever the x present, you put the 3. 7 minus 3 into 3 by 4. That equal to 7 minus 3, 3 is a 9 by 4. That equal to y equal to 7 minus 9 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 4. Minus 2 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 nothing but minus 0.5. 1 you divide by 2. 0.5. 0.5. So 1 by 2 nothing but 0.5. See this. Now x value is what? 3. When x is 3, then y is minus 0.5. Minus 0.5. Then I will take any other number. Suppose x equal to I will take minus 3. X equal to I will take minus 3. I can take any numbers. Even you can substitute any numbers. There is no rule there. So y equal to 7 minus 3 into minus 3 by 4. That equal to 7 minus into minus plus minus into minus plus 3 3 is a 9. 3 3 is a 9 by 4. So now you see y equal to 9 plus 7 or 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 by 4. 4 ones are 4 fours are, that equal to 4. Where x is minus 3, y is 4. X is minus 3, y is 4. These are called as the solutions. These are the called as a solutions. See, we got 3 solutions. Now x comma y is nothing but a solutions. Okay, these are the called as a solutions. I hope you understood. What are the 3 solutions? 0, 2, 0.25, 3, minus 0.5, minus 3, 4 are solutions of this question number 1. Here you can put in this box, you can write here solutions or x, y. So how to draw the graph of this? How to draw the graph of this linear equation? Simple. You find out like this 5 points. Here we have got 3 points now. Similarly, you find out the 5 points. These points you have to locate on the graph paper. Simple. X value, y value. Locate it, put a point. X value, y value. Put it a point. And draw a line. Definitely linear equation graph you will get a straight lines. Linear equation graph always will get a straight lines. So I will tell in the next exercise how to draw like that. Okay. And remember this always, if any linear equation in the form of y equal to mx is always pass through the origin graph. It is the origin point. If you draw the graph of y equal to mx, always pass through the origin. Y equal to mx in the sense m is a real number. Y equal to 6x, y equal to 2x, y equal to 3x, y equal to minus 2 by 3 or 2 by 3 into x, anything. This all will pass through the origin when you draw the graph. Okay, this you have to remember. Y equal to mx, always pass through the origin. Y equal to mx, always pass through the origin. Remember. Then y equal to 6x. Now it is also in the form of y equal to mx. Then it will always pass through the origin. See, already it is y equal to. We not to make here this equation we made y equal to. In the same way, here we not to make now. Already it is in the form of y equal to mx. Now directly we draw the table. We'll go for a table. Here x value will assume. Here y equal to 6 into x. Here x comma y. Nothing but solutions. X comma y is nothing but a solutions. Solutions of the linear equation. Then here x equal to, suppose you assume 2, y equal to 6 into 2, that is 12. 6 into 2, that is 12. Then x equal to, if you assume 3, y equal to 6 into 3, that is 18. X equal to, suppose you assume minus 2, y equal to 6 into minus 2, that equal to minus 12. Like that you can assume infinitive numbers will get infinitive number of solutions also. Infinitive number of solutions also. See, what is x value? X value is 2, then y value is 12. Here x value is 3, the y value is 18. When x value is minus 2, we got y value is minus 12 minus 12 minus 12. So we got three solutions now. This is enough. 1, 2, 3. If you want to draw the graph of this, you draw it. It is in the form of y equal to mx now. The y equal to mx always pass through the origin. So definitely it is intersect at a origin like 0, 0. Okay. Then these are the three solutions. So next problems also will do it. First bit. Yes. Next question number 3. 93x. See. 93x is equal to 12 minus 15y. 12 minus 15y. How to write the three solutions of this? Simple. We have to write y equal to no. Yes, see the y is negative. See that y is negative. We'll make it positive. Y equal to, will make it this, y will bring this side, this x will transfer the side. This minus 15y become plus 15y. Here already there is a 12. Here 93x become minus 93x. Minus 93x. Okay. Then we got this y, the 15 is multiplying here. This 15 will be divided. So y equal to 12 minus 93x by 15. Simple. Now we got y equal to. Why we have to make it y equal to? Because in the table we have to write x comma y values. No. First we will assume the x values. It is our wish. But here we have to write y equal to. That y equal to will bring from the question. This we have got from the question. This question will modify where y will make it alone and will write the remaining equation like this. 12 minus 93x by 15. This you have to do very carefully without any mistakes. If you write 93 minus 12, it will be wrong. 12 minus 93x will be correct. 93x minus 12 if you write, it will be wrong. Completely you will get wrong answer. Then here you will get solutions x comma y. Solutions x comma y. Here x equal to suppose 0. What happens? See, y equal to 12 minus 93 into 0. 93 into 0 by 15. That is 93 into 0 will be 0. So 12 by 15 will be left. Because this term completely will be 0. Then you cancel here. 3 4s are 3 5s are. That you got 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Or not, you divide the 4 by 5, 4. You divide by 5, 0.0. Okay, 5 8s are 40. 0.8 you will get. Y equal to 0.8. 4 by 5 is nothing but a 0.8. So x is 0, y is 0.8. This is one solution. Then next, here we go for if 2, if it is 1 or not, you take a small number. Okay, small number or you take a negative numbers. Minus 1 will take. Your wish, you can take any number, children. You take any number and calculate properly. That is what? 12 minus 93 into minus 1 by 15. 93 into minus 1 by 15. See, let us go for 12 minus into minus plus 93 by 15. So y equal to 12 plus 93, 95, 105. 105 by 15. 15 sevens are 15 ones are 15 sevens are 105. See, we got the same. When minus 1 we are using x equal to minus 1, then y equal to plus 7. Plus 7. In the same way, now we can use y equal to, suppose I will use 2 suppose. if I use 2, not only 2 you can use any number, but I am using like this, or not I will go for minus 2, no problem. Y equal to 12 minus 93 into minus 2 by 15, that equal to 12 plus 93 2s are 186 by 15. 186 plus 12, right? 198 by 15. This 198 by 15 will divide by 15. 15 ones are 15 will get 4. That become a 48. 15 threes are 45. We get 3.0. So 52s are 30. 0. That means 90. 198. So y equal to 198 by 15 is equal to 13.2. So we got minus 2 comma 13.2. We got 3 more solutions here also. We got 3 more solutions. Similarly, I'll do the one more problem for you. That is, any one problem, we'll go through that. We go for fourth question. We'll go for the fourth question now. Let us see. 13x minus 12y equal to 25. 25. Then see that here y is negative. What will do it? Instead of sending 13 there, we'll send this y that side, because y we need to be having the positive. Y always should be positive. So y is in negative here. See, y also here minus 15y. What I said, to change the y as a positive, this minus y, if I want to make it as a positive, then I will send this side. So it become a plus 15y. In the same way, here minus 12y will transfer the side. That become a plus 12y. And this 25 will transfer this side. 13x plus 25 become minus 25. That equal to minus 12y become plus 12y. This 12 will transfer this side. What I can see? 13x minus 25 by 12 equal to y. Or not y equal to this is what. So now we have to go for solutions. How can we go for the solutions? You know now. Here x value. Here y equal to what actually? 13x minus 25 by 12. Here we write the solutions. Here we write the solutions. X comma y. Okay, here we assume some numbers. Like I'll go for your 5. Suppose let me go for 5. Some big numbers I will take this time. 13 into 5 minus 25 by 12. 35 is 65. 65 minus 25 by 12. 65 minus 25. It is 60 and 40. 40 by 12. 40 by 12, how can I do? 4 3s are 12, 4 10s are. That is y equal to 10 by 3. 10 by 3 is nothing but 3.33. We can use 3.3, we can use 5 comma 3.33 or not 3.3. After the decimal point, you find out only one digit. That is enough. After the decimal digit, you find out only one digit. That will be enough. Now next, we go for, suppose if you use 10, what happens? Let us see. In the place of x, if you use 10, y equal to 13 into 10 minus 25 by 12. 30 is the 130 minus 25 by 12. Okay. Here what you will get? 105 by 12. 105 by 12. Then y equal to 105 by 12. See, 105 divide by 12. Yes, 12 8s are 96. 12 8s are 96. 12 9s are 108. So 12 8s are 96 is possible. 96 in the sense here will be getting 9. 9 only. 4 and 9. So 0.090. Okay. 12 8s are 96. So 12 7s are 84. That is 6. Then what after the decimal point? One digit is enough now. As I said that y equal to now 8.7. So we can use now 10 comma 8.7. 8.7. Now we use any number. Now I will let you go for a negative number once. You can only use positive numbers, or you can use negative numbers, or some positive numbers, some negative numbers. You use it. That's better. If you want to draw the graph, use 5 numbers like -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. 2 negative numbers, 1, 0. 2 positive numbers, you use it, so that it will be very beautiful to see the graph. In the case of graphs, I am telling you. Now here you can use any numbers. Like suppose you can use -0, you use it. That's better. Not 0, we will use it. What we get, see, y equal to 13 into x. That means 13 into 0 minus 25 by 12. 13 zeros are 0 minus 25 by 12. That equal to 12 ones are 12 twos are 24. 1 left. That become 10. It's not possible. See, 25. We have to divide by 12. 12 twos are 24. 1 left. Point. You keep 0. It is not possible. Again 0 you keep it. It become 100. 12 8s are 96. It is possible. Then we get that is minus 2.08. Minus 2.08. That is x is 0. Then y value is minus 2.08. Minus 2.08. We got 3 solution. 1 2 3 1 2 3 3 solutions we got it here. So I hope you understood this clearly. Take a screenshot if you want. Take a screenshot of this if you require. Then remaining 2 questions, you people have to do it. 5th one and 6th one. You just do it and we go for next further questions. Only that remaining 2 are very easy of this exercise, this bit. So see, graphs will be same. In graphs also we will do the same thing, because graphs I cannot draw on the board properly. So I am telling you here itself. Even though I will keep a videos on the graphs also. Yes. Now we go for second bit. First one. What we have to do in the second bit? See, if 0, a and b, 0 are solutions of the following linear equations. 0, a is a solution and b, 0 is also solution of the given linear equations. Find the a value and b value. We have to find the a value and b value. The given solutions are the first one 0, a, the second one b, 0. Then we need to find out the a value and b value of the following questions. The first one, 8x minus y. The first question, solution. 8x minus y equal to 34. Y equal to 34. Yes, 34. So we have to find out the solutions. That means a value and b value we need to find. See, very simply we can find out now. First, it is a x value and this is y value. We know it in every point. In the chapter number 5 we have learned it is x value and this is y value. This is x value and this is y value. Yes. First you take the first one and we'll solve it. First here is given 8x minus y equal to 34. Okay. The solution of this point is, therefore the solution is 0, a, that is x, y. Okay, here x value in the place of x put 0, 0. In the place of x put 0. In the place of y put a. Then 8 into x is nothing but 0. 8 into 0 minus. In the place of y we have to put a equal to 34. See, 8 into 0 is 0 minus a equal to 34. Minus a equal to what now? 34. So So a equal to now minus 34 by multiplying minus on the both the sides. We get minus a equal to 34 is 34 minus a equal to 34. Then a equal to minus 34. If minus with minus, if you multiply on the both the sides, minus into minus plus, and here minus 34. That is what. Now here 8x minus y equal to 34. The solution is, now this time solution will be b comma 0. It is x and this is y. Let's put in the place of x, now we have to put b. 8 into b minus in the place of y we have to put 0. That equal to 34. So 8 into b, 8b, 0 we have to leave it, that equal to 34. This 8 we have to transfer this side. Then b equal to 34 by 8. See that in 2 table, 2 4s are 8, 2 17s are. Then b equal to 17 by 4. b equal to 17 by 4. A value is minus 34 and b value is 17 by 4. Then second one, the second question here, 3x equal to 7y minus 21. 3x equal to 7y minus 21. Okay, we have to find out same solutions again here. The first solution we do it here. The solution, the given solution is what? 0 comma a. It is x value and this is y value. So 0 comma a is given. So wherever the x present you put the 0. 3 into 0 minus equal to here 7 into a minus 21. 3 into 0 is 0, that equal to 7a minus 21. This minus 21 you bring this side, then we can write here 21 equal to 7a. A you transfer this side, a is multiplying, so a will be divided. 21 by 7 equal to a. 7 ones are 7 threes are. Therefore a equal to what you got? 3. A equal to 3. Always the finding term should be left side. So I have written 3 equal to a should not write, that will be not in order. So we have to write a equal to 3. Then the solution, here we have given a solution again, one more solution is given, that is b comma 0. X value is b, y value is 0. Let us put in this. Now 3x is equal to 7y minus 21. No? X value b, 3 into b is equal to 7 into y value is 0 minus 21. 3b is equal to, this is completely 0 minus 21. This 3 you transfer this side, b equal to minus 21 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 sevens are, b equal to minus 7. b equal to minus 7. You got the solutions now. In the same way, let's go for third question. The third question is that 5x minus 2y, 5x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. We have to find out the solutions. Let's go for that. Here the given solution equal to 0 comma a, where 0 is nothing but a value, x value, a is nothing but a y value. We'll substitute in this now. 5 into x value nothing but 0 minus 2 into y value is nothing but a plus 3 equal to 0. Now this is completely 0. Minus 2a plus 3 equal to 0. So what we do it now? Simple. This 3 will transfer this side. Minus 2a equal to minus 3. Minus minus cancel on the both the sides. Then here 2 also will transfer. A equal to will get 3 by 2. This 2 is multiplied, so 2 will be divided that side. Now here the solution is given that b comma 0. B is a x value, y value is 0. In this we have to substitute. See, 5 into b value, that is, x value is b. 5 into b minus 2 into 0. 2 into 0 plus 3 equal to 0. This term, complete term will be 0 then. 5b, this is 0, then plus 3 equal to 0. This plus 3 will transfer this side, minus 3. 5b equal to minus 3. This 5 will transfer this side, b equal to minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Now we got a value and b values in the each and every case. So look at this, how to find out the given values, x comma y values we have to substitute in the given equation. Then we get a values and b value clear. Then we go for third bit. This complete exercise will be like this only, very easy actually. Step by step if you do it, easily we can find out answers. Clearly we can find out the answers. I hope you are getting understand. You have to complete your notes very cleanly like this. I am better than this. Yes. Then check which of the following is a solution of the equation 2x minus 5y equal to 10. Now at this time, see, third bit. The given equation, the given linear equation in two variable is equal to, in two variable equal to, that is 2x minus 5y, 2x minus 5y equal to 10. This equation is given. For this equation, which of the following points are solution? Which of the points are solution? Let us see. Simply you have to take one point and we have to substitute it. So let's go for the first point. Let's go for the first point, that is 0, 2. 0, 2. This is x value, this is y value. The given equation is what now? The equation is 2x minus 5y equal to 10. In the place of x you substitute 0, in the place of y substitute 2. So 2 into 0 minus 5 into 2 equal to 10. This is completely 0 then. What is there to 5 2s are minus 10. Here already minus 10 is equal to 10. Is minus 10 is equal to 10? No. Minus 10 is not equal to plus 10. Minus 10 is not equal to plus 10. So what happens? Therefore 0, 2 is not a solution of 2x minus 5y equal to 10. So when you substitute this x and y values here, LHS equal to RHS we have to get. But here LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS we got it. So in this case, it is not a solution. Then we go for the second one. You can understand here. If you go for the second one, you can understand. The second solution is that 0, minus 2. 0, minus 2. It is a x value and this is y value. Let us take what is the given equation, that is 2x minus 5y. Let us see either it is equal to 10 or not. Let us see. So in the place of x we have to put 0, minus in the place of y we have to put minus 2, that equal to 10. Let us see. 2 into 0, it is 0, minus into minus plus 5 2s are 10, that equal to 10. Here 10 equal to 10 we got. That means here LHS is equal to we got RHS. And therefore we can write now 0, minus 2 is a solution of 2x minus 5y equal to 10. This is the way we have to solve the remaining problems. So let me solve. The third one you people do it. Fourth one I will do it here. The fourth one is 2 root 3 comma minus 2. Only third one you do it. The given equation is 2x minus 5y equal to 10. It is a x value and this is y value. X value is what? 2 into 2 root 3. In the place of x I put 2 root 3. Minus in the place of y I have to put minus root 3 equal to 10. Let us see. 2 into 2, 4. 4 root 3. Minus into minus plus 5 into root 3 is 5 root 3, that equal to 10. 4 root 3 plus 5 root 3 completely 9 root 3 is equal to 10. It is not equal. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence we can write now, therefore 2 root 3 comma minus root 3 is not a solution, not a solution of, not a solution of the equation 2x minus 5y equal to 10. Now let me go for the next one also, the fifth one. I'll solve the fifth one also. 1 by 2 comma 2. 1 by 2 comma 2. It is the x value and this is y value. The given equation is 2x minus 5y equal to 10. Let us check. Wherever the x present, we have to put 1 by 2 minus y presents, we have to put 2. That equal to 10. X value 1 by 2, y value is 2. Here 2 to get cancelled. This is minus, only 1 is left. Minus 5 to the 10. That equal to 10. 1 minus 10 is minus 9. Minus 9 is not equal to 10. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence, we can write that 1 by 2 comma 2 is not a solution of 2x minus 5y equal to 10. Okay, we have also completed the third bit. Then we go for fourth bit, fifth bit questions also. Slowly we will complete the exercise. Then we go for next third bit completed. Fourth bit also will be same only. Fourth question solution. See that, find the value of k if x equal to 2, x equal to suppose 2 and y equal to is 1. Here given x value and y value, we need to find out the k value. The given equation is, the given equation here, what I gave the equation, that is 2x plus 3y equal to k. We need to find out the k value here. We need to find out the k value. Find two more solutions for the resulting option. And we have to find out the two more solutions here. Let us find out the x value, we will put 2 into 2 plus y value we have to put 1, 3 into 1 that equal to k. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3 equal to k. Therefore k equal to 4 plus 3 is 7. Then the actual equation now, the equation is, what will be the equation now? 2x plus 3y equal to k, in the sense we got 7. For this we need to find out the two more solutions. Here x 2 comma 1 is a solution, where x value 2, y value 1, it is a one solution. Then we need to find out, see, x equal to 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 4 plus 3 7. It will be balanced. In that way we have to find out the two more solutions. So as I told you, what we need to do, this 2x you bring this side, then 3y equal to 7 minus 2x, what we have done in the first bit. This 3 also we transfer this side, y equal to 7 minus 2x by 3. Now that is what we need to substitute here. Here you assume the x values. Here y equal to 7 minus 2x by 3. Here solutions, x comma y. Okay, here x equal to suppose 0. Then what happened? Y equal to 7 minus 2 into 0 by 3. That equal to 7 minus 0 by 3. Then y equal to 7 by 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 1 left, that become 3. Now 2.3. If you divide, you get this 0 comma 2.3. Only one decimal digit is enough. Next we'll find out, suppose if minus 1 if I keep, that will be better. Now minus 1 if I take, y equal to 7 minus 2 into minus 1 by 3. See that 7 minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2 by 3. Then I got y equal to 7 plus 2 9 by 3. 9 by 3 is nothing but a 3. 3 ones are 3 3s are. So here minus 1 comma 3. We got two more solutions also. We got two more solutions of this. Next we go for fifth solution. We go for the fifth solution. The fifth one is that if x equal to, same kind of question, if x equal to 2 minus alpha and y equal to 2 plus alpha, that is alpha symbol, alpha, beta, gamma, like a Greek alphabet, then is a solution of the equation 3x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Then find the value of alpha, find the three more solutions of resulting equation. Okay, this is a solution of the given equation or not? The given equation is is 3x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. We have to get LHS equal to RHS when you substitute this. If you tell you substitute x equal to minus 2 minus alpha and y equal to 2 plus alpha in this given equation, you have to get LHS equal to RHS. Let us see. 3 into x value is 2 minus alpha minus 2 into y value is 2 plus alpha plus 6 equal to 0. 3 2s are 6 minus 3 into alpha is 3 alpha. With 3 we have to multiply this both. With minus 2 we have to multiply this. Not with 2, with minus 2. Minus into here nothing but a plus. Minus into plus is minus. 2 2s are 4. Minus into plus is minus. 2 into alpha is 2 alpha plus 6 equal to 0. See here. Plus 6. Here is plus 6. Here is the plus 6. 6 plus 6 12. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay, or not 6 minus 4, 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. Here minus 3 alpha, minus 2 alpha. Minus 3 alpha, minus 2 alpha is minus 5 alpha equal to 0. Minus 5 alpha equal to 0. Then what happens, see, if this 5 alpha will transfer the side. Okay, 8 equal to plus 5 alpha. Then 5 will transfer this side. Alpha equal to 8 by 5. The alpha equal to 8 by 5 you got it. See, if x equal to 2 minus alpha and y equal to 2 plus alpha is a solution. Already said that these two are the solutions. These two are the solutions. Okay, these two are the solutions of this given equation. Then find the value of alpha. The value of alpha is 8 by 5. Now we got value of the alpha is 8 by 5. Then find the three more solutions of the resulting equation. We have to find out the three more solutions for this equation. Three more solutions for the equation. Listen, what is the equation actually first? We will write the equation here first. The equation after this you write this answer. 3x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Then minus 2y you send aside because the minus 2y become a, we have to send it like a plus 2y. Plus 3x plus 6 equal to plus 2y. Y should be positive. Then transfer this to this side. Then 3x plus 6 by 2 equal to y. Now we got it as a y equal to. Now we can find out 3 more solutions or 5 more solutions. How many you want we can find out. Here we go for x value. Here y value is 3x plus 6. 3x plus 6 by 2. And here the solutions x comma y. Here suppose x equal to 0, y equal to 3 into 0 plus 6 by 2. That is 3 into 0 is 0. Then 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is nothing but a 3. 2 ones are 2 3s are. Then 0 comma 3. X value is 0. Y value we got 3. Then here suppose we assume that suppose 2. Y equal to 3 into x, nothing but 3 into 2 plus 6. The x value we assume like a 2 by 2, that equal to 3 to the 6 plus 6 by 2. 6 plus 6 by 2, that is y equal to 12 by 2. 12 by 2 is nothing but a 6. 2 ones are 2 6 are. Then x value is what? Then x value is 2. then y value is 6. Similarly, we can also find out the third solution. Let us assume 4. What happens? Y equal to 3 into 4 plus 6 by 2. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 6 by 2, that is 18 by 2. 18 by 2 is nothing but a 9. Then y equal to 9. Where x is 4, y value is a 9. See the solutions. We got 3 more solutions of the resulting equation, the given equation only. Next, we'll be having 2 more questions. We have 2 more questions. Let us solve that 2 also. Yes. Now, 6th question, very easy question. If x equal to 1 and y equal to also 1, is the solution of 3x plus ay equal to 6, then find the value of a. The given equation is 3x plus ay equal to 6. Here we need to find out the value of a. It is a ay. So what should be in the a place? So wherever the x present, you put 1, and y also you put it 1. 3 into 1 plus a into also 1, that equal to 6. 3 ones are 3 plus a into 1 is a, that equal to 6. This plus 3 you transfer this side, a equal to 6 minus 3, then a equal to 3. Completed. Therefore the value of a equal to 3. Then the last question of this exercise, question number 7. Question number 7 is an activity for you actually. The question number 7 is that write 5 different linear equations. Write any 5 different linear equations. Your wish. You write any 5 linear equations. Okay, in 2 variables. That should be in the 2 variables. Find the 3 solutions for each of them. Find 3 solutions for each of them. Write any 5 linear equations. Suppose I write some example. Suppose 2x plus 3y equal to 10. It's a one linear equation. Draw a table. Make it y equal to first. Make it y equal to, and draw a table. Find out 3 solutions. As I said, yes. Find out 3 solutions for each and every equation. Suppose next R0 we assume like a small x plus y equal to 5. Let's go for again y equal to 6x, or we have done it this test. Y equal to 3x, you do it. Then fourth one, y equal to only you write like a x plus 3. You write like this. Directly you write the equation y equal to, then you make it like this. Then fifth equal to, you write anything. It doesn't mean that you only write this. You can take your own examples and make 3 solutions how we done it in the bit number 1 of exercise number 6.2. So here I write y equal to 2x plus 7. So take, for example, you take these examples and find out 3 solutions for each and every linear equation 2 variable. Make a table. First x values, your wish, you assume any number. That x value you put it in the y equation, will get a y value. This x comma y value is a solution. That's it, children. So I hope you understood how to find the solutions of the linear equation in 2 variable. Okay, then that's it for this class. We'll meet with the next exercise 6.3 in our next video. Thank you.